Hi everyone, welcome to Take My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add widgets on iPhone. So let's jump right in. First, tap on the empty screen on the home screen. Tap on the edit option from the top left corner of your screen. From the menu, tap on the add widget option. Scroll down through the list and find the widget you want to add. You can also use the search bar at the top to quickly locate a specific widget. Once you find it, simply tap on it. After selecting your widget, you will see your options to choose the size. You can slide right or left to view different size options. Pick the size that fits based on your home screen. Then, tap on the Add Widget option. You can now drag the widget to place it wherever you want on your home screen. Once you are happy with its position, tap on the Done button in the top right corner of your screen. And this is how you can add widgets on iPhone. Thank you for watching Take My Life. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.